Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Mr. Twister WX, and in today's forecasting video, we're just going to be doing a basic overview of tomorrow's severe weather. But firstly, I want to take a look at our fire weather conditions. So for portions of Wyoming, Colorado, much of central and western Nebraska, along with southern South Dakota, there's an elevated fire weather risk. And for portions of Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, there is a critical risk, so be sure you are avoiding anything that could cause a spark, because high winds along with dry conditions, low humidity, and high temperatures could easily start a fire. If we go to today's convective outlook, we have a general thunderstorm risk, nothing severe, so that stretches through eastern Utah all the way through portions of the Great Lakes. So we have a general thunderstorm risk for portions of Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Ohio, Virginia, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. I think we already said Ohio. Michigan, Wisconsin, almost all of Minnesota, along with portions of Iowa. So nothing severe today, just maybe some general thunderstorms. But tomorrow is what I want to talk about. So tomorrow we have a slight level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather for portions of Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Kentucky. So this does come with a 5% tornado risk, which includes Parkersburg, West Virginia, Wheeling, West Virginia, Morgantown, West Virginia, Athens, Ohio, and Portsmouth, Ohio. Also a 15% wind risk for Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cincinnati, Ohio, Lexington and Fayette, Kentucky, and Huntington, West Virginia. So if we were to see an upgrade to an enhanced risk, which I'm unsure if that would happen, it would likely be a wind risk. And then for hail, we also have a 15% risk for those same areas, actually a little bit further north, where we saw our wind risk. We will start looking at our models for tomorrow's event in just a minute, but we also have a day 5 severe weather risk, which is for April 17th. So this includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux City, Iowa, and St. Joseph. So actually this might be for the 18th, either the 17th or the 18th. We'll take a look in just a second. So all hazards will likely be possible. This is a pretty small 15% risk. We will likely see this be upgraded. And then we have a day 6. So looks like this is Saturday's outlook. Yes, so the other outlook we just looked at is for this Friday. This one is for Saturday. So this one is a much larger 15% risk, stretching from central Texas all the way up into portions of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. So this includes Chicago, Detroit, Indianapolis, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, portions of the Dallas-Fort Worth area as well, I believe, just to the west of there. So we are also keeping an eye on those. Firstly, I want to take a look at our surface-based CAPE around the peak of tomorrow's event. So in areas with our 5% tornado risk, kind of near Pennsylvania, Ohio, and West Virginia, we will have CAPE in the 200 to 400 values. So not the most, but it could help a little bit. So, but not the best for the atmosphere. And then when we look at our SRH, so for the square meters per square second, there is about 300 to 500, so that will help those storms rotate pretty quickly. So we will keep an eye on it. If there is a tornado warning issued for your area, you need to seek shelter immediately. In terms of tornado safety precaution, you need to be on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, away from windows and an interior room. Get as far as the outside world. So get just far away from the outside world. If we look at the severe thunderstorm outlook categories, the slight risk, increased confidence that some storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and or tornado potential. So some of these storms could be significant. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Stay safe out there. Just wanted to let you all know, before we end off this video, we will look at the more detailed models for next weekend's event on Friday and Saturday as we get closer, but right now I think it's probably too far to tell the exact details, but I am keeping an eye on it. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing to the channel. I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace.